everyone, this is Varsha, the STEM instructor at ScienceUtsav. So today we're going to learn about the basic topic of HTML, that is the structure of HTML. First of all, what is this HTML called as? It is called as the hypertext markup language. The basic structure of HTML is often known as the boilerplate. Now, whenever I say about HTML, we always have a starting Angular tag and also a closing Angular tag. Anything that is written between this tag is known as a tag name, as you can see on your screen. Anything that we start in HTML, as in the tag names that we start in HTML, needs to be closed by using a /. As you can see, this HTML is your starting, whereas this HTML is your closing with a /. Now coming to the structure of HTML. The first thing that we have is the Doctype Html. You must be thinking, what is this Doctype Html? Let us take up a basic example of this. You must have seen that over the time, mobile phones have evolved. We have different versions of mobile, Redmi, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo. All of these mobiles are having different features with different functionality. Similarly, in HTML, we have different versions. In modern times, we use the HTML5 version. To denote the HTML5 version to the browser, we use the Doctype, so that the browser gets to know that we are going to use the HTML5 features and functionality. So the first statement is the Doctype HTML. Coming to the next statement is the HTML. So this is the root tag, which is known as the HTML tag. Under HTML, we have head. Now head is basically a tag which contains the information about your website. As you can see, under head tag, we have the title. For example, when you're born, you're given a name. Similarly, when a website is born, when you're creating a new website, you need to give it a name. So we use the title tag. As we write the title tag, we need to write the title tag here and close it by using a /. Again, we close the head tag, which shows that we are done with the information of your website. Now coming to the most important tag, that is the body tag. Whatever we write inside the body tag is visible on our website. So here we have the body tag. We need to write our tags inside the body tag and close the body tag and close the HTML. Now let's have a simple example of this. So here I am on a website known as codepen.io. Here we have the HTML. So let's start writing this HTML. The first thing that we have is the HTML. Then we have the head. Since this is an online compiler, I don't really need to write the doctype element because by default, all the online compilers use the HTML5 features and functionalities. Now we have the head element. Inside the head, we have the title. Inside the title, I'll write my first web page. And I will close the title with a /. Next, I will close the head. And then I will open my body. Inside the body, if I want to write anything, for example, if I write H1, H1 is basically a heading tag. So if I write my favorite books, and I will close this H1 with a /. Anything we start, we close it by using a / in HTML. As you can see the output here, we have written my favorite books. Next, let's use another heading, that is the H3 heading. And I would like to say that my favorite book is The Power of Subconscious Mind. And I will close this by using a /. And here you can see that I can see there's the power of subconscious mind. Now let's put up a line between my favorite books and the power of subconscious mind. For this, we'll be using the HR tag. And here you can see there will be a line, as you can see here. After this, I will just close my body tag and also I will close my HTML tag. So this is all in this tutorial. We basically learned the basic syntax of HTML, that is the hypertext markup language. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Also ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the future updates. Thank you.